back to the channel. We're here at Champion Porsche in South Florida, which is the biggest Porsche dealership on the East Coast, actually. It's a nice turnout here. Shout out to Champion and their motorsport team. We're gonna walk around and look at some of these beautiful cars, guys. Tons and tons of Porsche showed up today. Hope you enjoy the video. In the showroom, we had this beautiful white GT3 R Sport Edition. Here we have a row of the GT3 RSs with the Manti racing kits. They're in the house. GT Silver Porsche Carrera GT pulling in. What a beauty. Porsche's hypercar. Man, the weather is so beautiful out here. It's that nice summer breeze with its olive green GTS Cabriolet. Man, so many GT3 RSs around here. Here we have a white GT3 coming in with the ladies pulling in. Gentian blue, 992. Carrera 4S. Here's that Aston Martin hybrid Valhalla. That thing is fast, man. It's beautiful. Man, it's a nice turnout out here today, and the weather's nice. It's a nice breeze. Everybody in the shop looking underneath this 996 turbo. Wow, looks like they got a nice Ferrari in here. Not sure what that is. It's beautiful. Looks like we got the official Champion Porsche GT3 pulling out. Paint the sample. I think that's signal green or either Viper green. You guys can check me in the comments with the official Champion monster on the dash. Love that. Cayman in the house there, and then right behind it, old school Targa, classic roller bar, cars red slant nose. It's a classic, man. That thing is beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a great day out here. Awesome turnout. Shots out again to Champion Porsche, largest Porsche dealership on the East Coast. Champion Motorsports putting this all together. We had some beautiful Porsches today, guys. The GT3 RS has showed up. We had some STs in the house. Old school slant nose. We had a little bit of everything out here today. The weather could not have been better. Nice crowd. Stay tuned. Next event, Bruno's Porsche Museum, Florida Crown region, Porsche Club of America having their concourse. We'll see you guys then. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.